When it comes to graphic designing, text is really an important part. Text is used in logo name. Maybe you want to convey some message. Maybe you want to write some description. Maybe you want to give some headings. Maybe you want to give uh, YouTube thumbnails. Just like mine, you have come here. So you have known the importance of text. So in today's video, I will be teaching you how you can add text in Adobe Photoshop. So make sure to watch video till end, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you love the video, make sure to hit a like. So let's move to my screen now. So yeah, we are at my screen now and I will show you how you can add text. You can simply go to your tools and select the T option, horizontal type tool, and if you will right click, it will be there will be vertical type mask, and these all are not required, only those first two are required. So let us select horizontal type tool and let us type something. Let me type hello. So it is coming red because by default uh, this thing is irritating me. Let's bring it down. Okay, by default my color is red, but I can always change the color to white or to blue. Let me take blue, my favorite color. From here you can change color, and after writing a text you can simply scale it by using move tool. Scale, you can scale your text, or if you want to change the fonts you can simply go to your workspace and this character type, and if you have not this thing you can go to window and enable it, and I have a dedicated video for workspace, you can watch it. I will give the link in the I button and also in the description too, so you can check that too also, and I will also give the link in the comments, first comment, also pinned comment. And from here you can change your fonts. uh, Select your text, and from here you can change your font. I mostly use this font, acronym variable concept, and this is my favorite font till now, and you can change font according to yourself. There are some fonts in Photoshop, and some you have to purchase. You can also get free fonts on some websites. I will definitely tell you those websites in coming videos, so make sure to subscribe the channel. Yeah, promotion going on simultaneously. So I'm going to teach all of this stuff, so you make sure to subscribe, and you can change font here, you can change your size from here, you can manually type the size, you can increase character spacing from here, or you can stretch your font from here, you can change your color from this time, and you can make everything bold, italics, caps, all caps, cap small, and you can play out with different options with different text. All of the options are not available with every text, so you just can play out with these options, and you can change your font styling and etc. Now we will just delete this layer and let us try vertical type tool. So you simply write hello and you can place it anywhere with the help of a move tool. I have teased move tool also, brush tool also, and many tools. You can watch the playlist. I will give the link in description. It is a full course. I am teaching it for free. So make sure to subscribe the channel once more time. Okay. So you can just simply place it anywhere. All rest of all the options will going to be remain same, so you can play out with this thing also. And if you want to write a paragraph, you can simply select your horizontal type tool and press click and make a box, and you can write here. You can simply write here, then change its color from here, and you can play out with the options available, and you can move it according to your preference. So I hope you have learned how to write text, and if you have any doubts, do mention them in comments, or you can follow me on Instagram. or you can write me a mail, you can write me on Instagram, you can write me anywhere if you have any doubt. So that's it for today's video, and if you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit a like button, and also if you have not subscribed my channel till yet now, do hit subscribe button. And that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I have some special announcements to make, but not in this video, maybe around New Year. So there are only 3-4 days left, so make sure, make your last days of the year very amazing, and end the year with the buzz and start the new year with a greater buzz. So that's it for the video. So bye guys.